just the quality of the build and the thought that's gone into the design of Baroness equipment. You put them head to head and put them side to side with their competitors, and I think they are exceeding their competition. No question about it. My name's Len Curtin. We're at the George Wright Golf Course in Boston, Massachusetts. I've been the superintendent at George Wright this is my 22nd year. I grew up in golf. My dad was a general manager of a municipal golf course not far from here in Brookline, Massachusetts. You know, I was introduced to the game really young, 6, 7 years old, came to work with Dad every day in the summertime. When I was in high school, I started caddying at the country club in Brookline, Mass. And when I got to college, I decided I wanted to be a golf course superintendent. I had the opportunity to work on a ground staff right after high school for 3 years, and we prepped a golf course for a US Open. So that really kind of got my engine running with wanting to be a golf course superintendent. So George Wright was originally conceived to be a private club. There were some investors just before the Great Depression, the crash of '29. And as it turns out, the investors lost their money. The property and the design of the golf course was left to the city of Boston. And at the time, the mayor, his name was James Michael Curley, thought that the city should have a municipal golf course. You know, we've used, in the 20 years I've been here, 2 or 3 different manufacturers of golf course maintenance equipment. It's really important to us that when we choose a piece of equipment, that it's really durable. The nature of how we replace our equipment here is maybe a little different than some private clubs. Lots of private clubs are on a sort of a set schedule with how they replace their stuff. Here we buy our equipment outright and we run it for as long as we possibly can until until it's no longer functional, and then we replace it. We've had a relationship with the Baroness distributor here, AOK Turf, for 25 to 30 years. He brought up a couple of demo pieces of equipment, specifically a rough mower and a fairway mower for us to try out. It became very evident that they were really good, high quality, well-built, real beefy construction. There were lots of things about the Baroness equipment that we noticed immediately that we felt would fit really well with our course. And one of the things I noticed about it immediately was how the piece of equipment is balanced. And what was really important to us was, as it descends down an incline, I've noticed that with our other competitors, the weighting distribution they're a little front heavy. With our Baroness rough unit, we didn't have that problem. We had plenty of traction in the back, even creeping down a hill. The other thing that I noticed about it too is unlike some of its competitors, it has you have the capability of engaging a traction control unit that locks all 4 wheels. And you're getting power to all 4 units climbing a hill or descending a hill, and that's really important. Myself personally, getting on either the fairway mower or the rough mower, extremely intuitive, very easy to use and operate. The controls are right here, they're very clearly marked. You know exactly what is what and how to turn it on, how to shut it off, how to get it to operate properly. If you've got staff members that are familiar with running and operating equipment, you can get right on this machine and use it, and it literally takes 3 or 4 minutes to go through the machine with an operator. When I started the engine, the sound of the motor, most golf course equipment sounds like you're shaking a bag of marbles. You can hear the quality of the engine. You start these machines up and they run like a Swiss watch right from the time you turn them over. We've been able to mow our fairways at about a half a mile an hour faster than we have in the past, the cutting units stay in adjustment for longer. Typically, our other units would get adjusted every time they go out. With the Baroness, it's more like every 2 times, you know? So that's, I mean, that doesn't seem like a lot, but it really is when you don't have that extra downtime. And of course, the first thing that we noticed with the rough unit was the quality of cut first time across is impeccable. You know, you can go over one area one time and you get a great cut. Really, we haven't found anything about it that we don't like. Probably the second thing I noticed on the Baroness rough unit was the front wheel setup. The wheels are separated from the housing of the chassis a little bit. The brake discs are not tucked in underneath the inside of the wheels, and they're not tucked in under the cab. They're exposed. That allows the equipment operator to get a complete and thorough cleaning of the brakes and the calipers and in and around the wheel wells. And it also makes it very, very easy for the mechanic to go in and adjust them. So it's really important that you can keep these things clean and accessible for maintenance. You know, you're getting a lot for your money here, and the quality of cut has been fabulous. Our golf course mechanic loves it. Over the next few years, yes, we'll be certainly adding to our stable of equipment, and Baroness is going to play a big part in that, that's for sure. The quality of the build and the thought that's gone into the design of this of Baroness equipment. You put them head to head and put them side to side with their competitors, and I think they are exceeding their competition, no question about it.